Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video, and today I've come up with a new topic. And for today's episode, I'm gonna talk about the ways to keeping your Apple Watch sports band clean, or how you could clean your Apple Watch sports band. I'm gonna show you the ways on how you could do it. So you could go to this link that is bitmiller.com and then type in how to clean Apple Watch bands.html. When you type in that, it's gonna show you a list of information on how you could actually keep your watch band clean. You could use this cleaning equipment, so you could use this prepare the eraser. So first of all, you need to follow the instructions that's on the back of the paper. In case if you have thrown out the box, then you want to wet the eraser and then rinse it dry. Now be careful when squeezing the water out, as too much force applied will tear the eraser. Next thing you want to do is prepare the band. Now remove the band from the watch body by pressing the release button and sliding out the strap for each place. For each one, please. Next thing, what you want to do is clean the top. Now start with the side of the straps with the pin pointing out. And now you can clean the bottom side. So just follow the instructions and you will be able to see the result is clean. So this way you should be able to clean your Apple Watch band. That's all, sports band. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.